Can you imagine improving your profits up to 200% with only a few tweaks in your accounting? Welcome to the Quickbooks University, the best training on the net to learn how to use the world's #1 accounting software, QuickBooks. Every day, companies and individuals around the world are using QuickBooks to manage their finances. The #1 accounting software is great for your business, but users face a huge problem. Why? Because there is no user manual included when you get the software. You need to buy a separate course to unlock QuickBooks' full potential. That's where we from the Quickbooks University come in. Join us and reach a QuickBooks user level you never experienced before. In over 36 videos, we teach you step-by-step all the nifty secrets the average QuickBook user never discovers. Business owners, bookkeepers, accountants, students, hundreds of clients have already joined the Quickbooks University to master their account, and all that for a low one-time investment. Check out the 3 free QuickBook videos below and join us today.